Oh, it's a different location today. Can you guess where I am? Well, something moving on its own here. Well, here we are. Let's see. I'll show you around a little bit inside here. All right, let's take a look. I am installing a motor. Can you say motor? Inside an Elgin lathe. Wow, quite a project. The old motor's still in here, but it's not working, and I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to put a new one in. 1.5 horsepower, 110 volts. Epic journey. It's a little crowded in here, as you can see. Okay, let's open this door. I don't know if you can see here or not, but we'll take a look. Where am I? Wow, I guess the lens is... Open the door on the front part. But the motor is... To take it out and repair it, nah, I'm going to put this fellow in. So here's the Elgin lathe. Whoop! Here I lie in my kitchen grand with a can of carnation milk in my hand, no tits to pull, no shit to fling, just punch the hole in the damn thing. Wow, that's a saying, isn't it? Let's see if we can put you up here. Now, maybe that works. Whoop, not quite. Hi, Danny Cupcake on the ground by an Elgin lathe. Laying down on some rubber and old stuff here, so it's kind of hard laying on a pure hard metal, of course. Mr. Excello behind me here. That's fun. Problem space. Now where am I? Oh, what's going on? That's funny. Oh well. So I'll finish off tomorrow, maybe the next day. And I'm gonna use oh, I gotta show you this. I can do that. You can. This is a cool thing here. I get some lid on the topic. Can you see that or not? That is a Worthington all drive. Turn of the century technology. You got a motor running that, and you can adjust the speed back and forth. I repaired that about a couple of years ago or a year ago. My friend John Hugh in China was very kind in finding me belts for it. For inside of it. It's got belts inside of it, and you pull the levers and it runs it slow or fast. Quite an interesting contraption. That was restored by me and other things, and I'll apply this motor to that. I got one of those belts you get, the link belt things, you know, they link together any lengths you want. Woohoo! We're a happening unit. Yes, sir. Oh. Very crowded here. It's like, reminds me of working on this 3-inch 70 Canon. It's very tight. Could hardly slip in. I took it all apart. I didn't even know if I'm filming it. Let's see, I had this originally like that. I think so. You know what I mean? It's very hard to sit up. got a giant tailstock too. There we go. Move this way, I think. Ugh. There we go. There we go. So here we go. These levers controls forward and backwards as well as speed control. It's quite a gem. I got it from an inventor 3 years ago. And in the machine shop, by the way. Leaning against these collets. They call it a 5C collet. So, I'm debating whether to drill into the casting. Let's see, I need something to hold this wood down. I got a sheet of steel, I'd already got it marked out to drill the holes. Put bolts in, tie it all down, and make it really strong. This thing is really well built. Holy jumping, snapping articles. It is amazing. More well built than I am. Oh, tiny cupcake. Here we go. Next door is this shaper, metal shaper. Actually, another one behind me too. I don't know if you can see it, but gotta go over the 5C collets. It's a little south end. Oh, this is so hard on the ass. I mean, on the rear, posterior. Do I have a rear posterior? Yes, I do. I'm going to try and move. Oh, gee, I got it plugged in too. I guess I can move this. This iPad's plugged in. Move along here, I guess. Don't wreck anything, so. It all takes patience and understanding of machinery, number one. Let's see if I can move this way. Let's in a better position. So hard to work down there, but you gotta have the right mind to do it, you know. Be in the mood for it, that is. Move it along. Oh. Hand wheels are nice to grab a hold to. This one up. Alright, move this whole contraption this way. I'm disturbing it too much. Where am I here? Oh, yeah, there. Oh, wow, this is quite a jerky video, I must say. This way more. Yeah. And what's holding it up? Wow. Rough. Move this more that way. Hi, doctor. Gonna examine me again? Oh my God, how many times? Where can I put this thing? Up here on this. Hi. Or over here. I don't know. Up here? Oh, I don't know. No, that's kind of precarious. Some one of these guys. A rotary table, World War II. Approved for war production. On a radio drill press. More fun than barrel monkeys. Hello, who are you? Little piece of wood making noise. iPad's been through a war. So I kind of, I like this is a small radio drill. It's about, what's this? It's about 4,000, a couple of tons. I got next to it his friend, 8,000 pound lathe. That's fun moving around. That was easy to do. It's a matter of using jacking gear, you know. This box is full of drill bits. And this is for knocking the drills out of the radio drill press. I'll show you the drill press a little bit later. It's an interesting video. So this box is full of the. Okay, see anything there? 3 flute type drills. Kind of rare. I got a whole load of them on eBay years ago. Somebody wanted to get rid of them. I guess they're moving or doing something. What's it? Okay. Let's put this back up here. Looks like a knife, doesn't it? No, it's a puncher. Knocking drill bits out of more tapers. Alrighty, so we're a happening unit, I think. Oh, my finger. Hi, I'm little Johnny Cupcake, the lunatic. I enjoy being silly, you know. I don't know about you, but I do. Where are we going with this thing? Maybe I should get up and put it down for a minute. It's a cold day today, yes. I don't like being too cold. I'm kind of cold in here. It's everything's icy outside, that is, but not inside. That's kind of cold, though. That's difficult to work. This shape has got about a 12-inch, I think a 12-inch stroke, 13 or 14 inch. It's so massive. It's like the casting is so massive. It's incredible. Some parts it's like inch thick. Everything is thick on this thing. It's very heavy too. Well, that's a gem. I like to get a 36-inch Cincinnati shaper, but oh well. Dream on. Chirp! Yeah, I gotta change the battery, so that's one of those things. How can I move now to? Really got this drill chuck. Oh, that's cool. Hi, I got the power. Sit on this box. Hand wheel jabbing in the back, so turn that away. Oh, yeah, right. Trying to get up. Let's see. What's stuck? If I sit on here. Let's just keep standing up. Once you're down, it's hard to get up sometimes. Especially with a sore leg, you know. Sore leg, still plugged in out of test. There we go. Well, I'm going to just cut this off and do another video somewhere else. Okay? So you see the Elgin lathe. Okay.